the innovative complete solution for pipe drilling. Portable magnetic drilling and tapping machine for tube drilling. PIPEMAB525 made in Germany portable pipe drilling machine. Equipped with a patented magnetic pipe clamp with two very strong permanent magnet, the innovative complete solution for pipe drilling. The versatile magnetic pipe clamp automatically adjusts to the diameter of the pipe to be drilled. Easy to clamp mechanism. The swivel arrangement of the permanent magnets allows pivoting to conform to any pipe of 85 mm diameter or larger. Ideal for drilling outside of curved surface, inside of curved surface, or on straight flat surfaces. The PIPEMAB525 drills 50 mm diameter with core drills, 40 mm cutting depth, N20 thread cutting, reversible motor, 20 mm diameter twist drilling, new LED switches, new ergonomic cushion grips, robust and durable oil bath gearbox, variable speed control for fine-tuning the cutting speed, variable torque control for the correct power while drilling or tapping, available in 230 and 110 volts options, 1600 watt German make motor. MAB525 has 116 mm stoke, Morse Tapper 3, overheat protection, full wave control electronics, carbon brush wear indicator, complete internal cabling, and weighing 19.5 kilograms. The all-in-one magnetic drilling and tapping machine PIPEMAB525 for tubes and pipes. Made in Germany by BDS Machines.